The iPhone 18 Pro hasn't even officially launched yet, but luxury smartphone brand Caviar is already turning the upcoming flagship into an ultra-premium collector's item. And honestly, these special editions look less like smartphones and more like luxury jewelry designed for tech enthusiasts with unlimited budgets. According to newly revealed details, Caviar is preparing 4 exclusive Royal Colors editions for the upcoming Apple iPhone 18 Pro and Apple iPhone 18 Pro Max months before Apple's official announcement event expected later this year. What makes this launch so unusual is the timing. Normally, Caviar waits until Apple officially reveals a device before redesigning it with luxury materials. But this time, the company is moving early because leaks suggest the iPhone 18 Pro series may look very similar to the current generation, with only small design refinements like a slightly smaller dynamic island cutout. And Caviar clearly sees an opportunity. Each Royal Colors edition is reportedly limited to just 18 units worldwide, making these devices incredibly rare collector pieces. Every phone receives an engraved serial number from 01 to 18, instantly pushing exclusivity to another level. But the real headline is the materials. 3 of the 4 editions are rumored to feature full 24-karat gold-plated frames combined with exotic crocodile or python leather finishes on the rear panel. Instead of feeling like a traditional smartphone, these devices are being marketed more like handcrafted luxury watches or designer accessories. The pricing is exactly as wild as you'd expect. Early reservation prices reportedly range between roughly $10,000 and over $12,000, depending on the storage configuration and design variant. And yes, that's before most people have even seen the official iPhone 18 Pro itself. Caviar is also including premium accessories in the package, including a luxury crocodile leather wallet designed to match the phone's finish. Deliveries are expected to begin shortly after Apple officially launches the iPhone 18 lineup, which is widely expected around September. What's fascinating here is how smartphones are slowly evolving into status symbols far beyond normal consumer electronics. For most buyers, the standard iPhone 18 Pro will already feel premium. But companies like Caviar target an entirely different audience: collectors, celebrities, luxury enthusiasts, and high-net-worth buyers who want something almost nobody else on Earth can own. And while the actual iPhone 18 Pro is still surrounded by leaks and rumors, one thing is already clear: the luxury market around Apple products is becoming bigger, more extravagant, and far more expensive than ever before.